Closer. Does he want to eat?
He just finished.
Yeah, I don't think he wants to eat.
No, he either, well, has some other bodily function to take care of, or he just wants to be held.
I think this is blanket. No.
Just because he's squirming. I just think the squirm is more reflexy than trying to kick that thing off.
Uh-oh. No. He's gonna lose it.
Want me to?
Yeah, sure. There, he's better.